Welcome to
Back to Flour.
Good morning, Arno.
Good morning, Lena.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
So, what are we speaking about today?
Texture.
Whoa.
We are going to speak about texture, and when we speak about texture, we cannot give a definition of what is a good texture.
We have a lot of different textures here.
Yes, and they are all good. I mean, if you want to make a cracker, you want it to be crispy somewhere. If you want to make a wafer, you also need to have something that breaks easily. If you want to make a croissant, you want to have these puffy things, so you want it to be very open, flaky, exactly. This type of bread must be soft. If you take a baguette, it must be crispy. So all these textures, they go together, and sometimes you can have some of them, you want them crispy outside and soft inside. It's really about what the consumer are expecting. And one thing which is also interesting that we have seen that even for the same product, sometimes the people, they don't want the same texture everywhere. Think about the pizza. The pizza in Italy, in Napoli, and the pizza in Chicago. It's not the same crust. Okay, so it's really something which is consumer dependent, so you need to know exactly what the customer is expecting in terms of texture. And then after, texture is a little bit a combination of different things.
Yes, that's very hard to summarize what is texture. And so this is, as you said, this is a combination of many different things that the baker has to control in order to provide every time a good texture, the expected texture to the consumer. So that means that you have to control both the process and the ingredients.
Exactly.
For the process, all parts of the process will play a role on the texture. The mixing, water absorption, the amount of water that you put into the dough will be important, the proofing characteristics, how you shape the product, and of course the baking characteristic will be definitely impacting the texture.
Yeah, because if we take this example, for instance, the way the crumb is forming and the softness of the crumb, we have a video speaking particularly on this point. We have another video where we are also discussing the crust thickness, and another video where we speak about the crispness. So we have different videos where we are looking at individual characteristics that finally binding together. That's what we call the texture.
All right.
Okay. So if we summarize a little bit what we said on this video, as you said, the process is very important, but also the flour characteristics are very important. Yeah,
definitely. Flour is the major component in all those products, and so it will play a major role for its capacity to absorb water, which is linked to protein content and quality, to damaged starch also a lot. And protein and damaged starch will not only impact the water absorption, it will also impact the proofing characteristic. Here, damaged starch is extremely important in combination with amylase activity.
For producing gas.
For producing gas. And protein to retain the gas inside.
And protein is also participating to the handling properties of the dough.
Yes.
And that will, when we are cutting for making this type of bread, or when we are rolling for this type of little product, so that the protein is also very, of course, very functional. But we have seen that in many stages, including the oven rice.
Yes.
Starch is very important. You've been mentioning a lot of times starch gelatinization as one of the key parameters.
And then if you want to keep the texture for as long as possible, we need to also account for starch retrogradation.
Particularly when we are making soft product. If you want to keep the freshness a long time, you don't want to have too much retrogradation.
No, definitely not.
So in fact, when we speak about texture, we speak about a lot of things.
Yes.
The good thing is that we can control these things.
This is the good news.
That's the good news. Thank you, Lena.
Thank you, Arno. If you want to learn more about this important characteristic or about one of these delicious products here, you can visit our website